Now something important in the agent thread. So you see we gave to the agent this prompt to run the program using UV. You need to understand that the agent, when communicating with the AI model, won't behave always the same. So for instance, here I have this conversation and someone else could have a different conversation that would still lead to the run of the main project. But for beginners, it can be quite difficult to understand that. So in AI agent, there are several guardrails that ensure that the result is consistent between tries, but AI model is by definition probabilistic, so you can have some surprise. And typically, this is why I added here using UV in the prompt, because sometimes if you don't put it, the agent will run another command. So here I really wanted that the project be run with the configuration. This is why I added this.